My son won.
Oh, you're fine. Oh, really?
Yeah, my son won.
Wow.
Oh, awesome.
He just got 10K.
Congratulations.
Oh,
Yeah.
congratulations. That's crazy.
Holy crap, that's awesome.
We got someone. Who is it? Who is it?
It's me, man. Rapa. My son won.
Heck yeah!
Awesome.
There you go.
Wow, that's so cool.
Congratulations, Rafa.
It's amazing.
Yay.
That's $10,000 right there. What are you?
And
What your
I'm
son gonna do with the winnings?
I don't know, man. He's going to college in a year, so he can definitely use that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's awesome.
Awesome.
Heck yeah!
Hell yeah.
Wow.
Thanks, guys.
Good stuff, man. Good
I
stuff.
am so glad we finally got a winner that's on the live chat.
Yeah, so happy for you, man.
Yeah, man. He's
Awesome.
freaking excited. Woo.
Wow.
Awesome. That is good news.
That is good news.
Hey, and let's see. I think we're over halfway to another lottery.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
like at 5,383 last time.
Let's see. I'll take a look at the lottery wallet real quick. See where we're sitting. Come on, MetaMask. I do not like MetaMask.
Me either.
We are sitting at $5,375, so it's
Wow.
getting there.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
The last lottery was 3 days ago, right,
Again?
Brian?
It was 2 days ago. Yesterday I did all those giveaways, and now we're almost ready for another lottery. So
Jeez.
let's get it going,
It's gonna
guys.
be non-stop, you guys.
You're the man, Brian.
Oh, thank the team.
Yeah, build up that wallet again.
You guys got to upload these videos on YouTube next time.
We do need to do that.
That is
Did
a good
anybody
idea.
record
Yeah,
it?
that's a good idea. It's recording.
Yeah, I started recording after everything went shut down. I mean, came back up. I got a recording.
Sweet. Thank you. Post it in the chat. I am so glad that
That's awesome.
they were online. Oh, awesome. Especially, Rapa has been in this chat for a while.